Good morning and hello, Trumbull students in grades 6 through 12. For those of you who don't recognize me, I am Ralph Iassogna, Acting Superintendent of Schools. I would like to share with you an important message. As you are aware, most countries, including the United States, are in the midst of one of the worst situations ever experienced, COVID-19, or the coronavirus. I can't remember any occasion where countries have been so negatively impacted by a virus such as this. COVID-19 has affected almost every facet of our daily life. Federal, state, and local officials have enacted numerous steps to help eradicate or at least minimize the rising number of contracted cases. Each state has implemented various messages to attack what is considered a war. At this time, approximately 3,100 residents of Connecticut have been tested for the virus, with 223 testing positive, one of whom is a Trumbull resident. This number will change daily, as it has in other localities and countries. But we are fortunate that the federal and state governments have formed a strong response, a united front to this virus. We have some of the most knowledgeable and experienced physicians, particularly the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, Dr. Anthony Fauci, and renowned physician Dr. Deborah Birx, head and coordinator of the Vice President's team to fight the virus, and many related experts from several agencies to vigorously develop and implement our response. Many thanks and appreciation to Governor Lamont, State Commissioner of Education Dr. Miguel Cardona, and the many heads of numerous other divisions for their leadership. As Governor Lamont has stated, and I quote, "I know this pandemic has brought disruption to all of our lives, but we need to pull together as a community and practice social distancing in order to reduce the spread of this virus and protect the well-being of our neighbors and our loved ones." His motto is, "Stay safe and stay home." It's good advice. I want to thank one group in particular for their cooperation, energy, and efforts in combating this hideous virus, as well as following the state's guidelines. And that is you, Connecticut's 6 through 12 students, and especially our Trumbull middle and high school population. Your active involvement in following the recommended guidelines is critical if we are to overcome this serious crisis. You are the key, as role models, to show your peers that the full cooperation of the Trumbull student body is essential in our uphill fight. Your positive response to our conversion to distance learning and your acceptance to the cancellation of athletics and our after-school programs reflects your commitment to meet this challenge head-on. It is very, very much appreciated. I ask you as your superintendent to promote the guidelines set forth by our skilled professionals, for if followed, this crisis will more effectively and expeditiously be solved. Stay home and away from school if you are sick. Wash your hands frequently with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer when you are not able to wash your hands. Cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing with your arm or into a tissue. Throw the tissue away after using. That is very important. Do not touch your eyes, nose, mouth, or your face, as that can transfer the virus source. And any gatherings you are at should not exceed 10 or more people. A crucial point that, if necessary, is the concept of social distancing, and it is in this area your age group can be most helpful and effective. 6 feet of space can be the most effective and will strengthen our efforts to beat this pandemic working together. Again, you are an important part to our fighting this epidemic, and I am proud as your superintendent as to how superbly you have responded in the past. Please do not be complacent, but take this dilemma very, very serious. You've done that in the past, and we rely on you to do it in the future. Thank you, and spread the word, and stay safe. I appreciate it.